Hello and welcome back to our Learn HTML course. This is where we left things off last time with the image and source tag and looking at the A and the href tag. And this time we're going to be looking at something a little bit different, which is an element to control the layout of elements on the page. So if we look at this example here, we've got our image, which is right next to our link element or A element. If we wanted to get these to wrap one on top of the other, we've talked before about having a whole load of blank space. We'll do nothing to the appearance of the page. So what we looked at before was adding this BR element there, which will work. It will break it onto a new line. It creates this separation, but it's not the best way of doing it. The best way of doing it, if you did want to break these onto two separate lines, would be to add this tag, which is a div. Let's copy that there, and put that there. Save that, refresh the page, and see it looks exactly how we expect it to look, with the two elements stacked one on top of the other. You might be wondering why we do this, because it seems like a lot of faff to add these extra elements when we could just drop a break in there. But the main benefit of it is the containing elements next to each other, and making it easy to find stuff, and also making it easy to control how they look on the page. So if we indent these out, indent this out, and put another div around the outside here. I'll just tell you the formatting, and then save that. I'm going to take another one, do that. Then we can see we've got these two elements which are contained within each other. And if we wanted to say add a style to them, so we could say style equals, let's give it a background of blue, and let's give this a style of background red. We save that, refresh the page, and then we can see it's not very pretty, doesn't look great, but it does show how we can easily add a style to the whole element rather than just trying to style individually image, give that style of background red and that style of background red, and it's a good container for the whole element. Traditionally speaking though, or in modern web development, you wouldn't use the inline style or try to limit use of it as much as possible. You would instead use the class attribute. So class equals, and let's give it a class of image block, and let's give this one a class of image block 2. We'll save that, and as we can see, that's done nothing at the moment, but I'm just leaving this in here for now so that we can follow straight on in the next lesson with looking at how to create styles and a bit of a gentle introduction into CSS. So join me next time and we'll run through that. Thanks, bye.